It was a little over a year ago when Volvo announced plans for an EV onslaught with an aim for fully electric cars to make up 50% of the automaker total sales by the middle of the next decade. It looks like the XC40 is going to lead the way, as representatives of the Swedish brand have told Automotive News Europe. The pure electric variant of the small crossover will be revealed before the year end. Without going into any details about the zero-emissions XC40, Volvo announced plans to have its very first EV on sale by 2020, when the Tesla Model 3 rivaling Polestar 2 is also scheduled to hit the streets. The two models will have quite a lot in common, as both are set to ride on the same compact modular architecture CMA, which has also served as foundation for the Lincoln Company 01, 02, and 03 models. As a reminder, Lincoln Company is a new brand from Volvo parent company Geely, which also happens to own Lotus. Volvo XC40, the 2018 European Car of the Year, will be electrified later this year through the T5 Twin Engine version, combining a 1.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor, a lithium-ion 9.7 kWh battery, and a 7-speed automatic transmission. The 3-cylinder combustion engine is rated at 180 horsepower and works together with the electric motor, developing 82 horsepower for a combined output of 262 horsepower. With a generous 313 pound-feet of torque on tap, the XC40 plug-in hybrid runs to 62 mph in a decent 7.3 seconds and maxes out at 205 kph. Running solely on electric juice, the crossover can cover 34 miles. Volvo has revealed the XC40 T5 Twin Engine will enter production in week 46 this year at the Ghent factory in Belgium.